Healthy. Today we are going to discuss all the formulas of maths one by one. We start from chapter first. So in this chapter first, you are having only one formula, that is A equal to big Q plus R, which is also called formula of division or Euclid's division algorithm, है ना? Where A is dividend, B is divisor, Q quotient and R remainder. Okay. So this is the formula of chapter first. Now chapter second. In chapter second we are having quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, this is the standard form. Now here sum of zeros, alpha plus beta, it is minus b by a, and product of zeros, alpha beta, formula is c by a. Okay, so these are the two formulas, one of sum of zeros, another is of product of zeros. Okay, then from the chapter second only, now standard form of cubic polynomial is P of x equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where sum of zero, alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a, sum of product of zero, alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha is equal to minus alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha is c by a, and product of zero, alpha beta gamma is minus d by a. So these are the formulas of cubic polynomial. You can copy from the screen. Now chapter second have one more formula, that is to form a quadratic polynomial. Okay, if I want to form a quadratic polynomial, then the formula to form the quadratic polynomial is x square this is the equation to form a quadratic polynomial. You can copy from the screen. Okay, that much formulas are there in chapter 2nd. Now 3rd chapter. In 3rd chapter the most important is conditions. Okay, like first condition, if I take two quadratic polynomial for two equations suppose these two these two equation we are having linear pair of equation in two variable, then here first condition is if all the ratios are equal, then the solution will be unique. Sorry, if all ratios are not equal, that means different, then the solution will be unique solution and graph will be intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay, and this is the graph. Okay, see here the graph will be intersecting lines and it has unique solution. Graph will be intersecting lines and it is called consistence. It is called consistence. Remember one thing कि the equations for which we are getting solution ना, they are called consistence. यहाँ सारे अनइक्वल है, मतलब इसके सॉल्यूशन मिलेंगे और इसको कंसिस्टेंस बोला जाएगा. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट सेकंड कंडीशन, आगे हमने सारे रेशियोज इक्वल लिए थे, सॉरी डिफरेंट लिए थे. अब अगर सारे रेशियोज इक्वल है then how many solutions it will have? It will have infinite solutions. How many? Infinite solution. The graph will be the coincidence line. Coincident. That means same type of line will be there. Okay, coincident line, and it is also consistence. क्योंकि हमें सॉल्यूशन मिल रहा है, दैट मीन्स कंसिस्टेंस. ओके, देख लो और कॉपी कर लो आप. ओके, now third condition, if first two ratios are same but last one is different, so solution, no solution, इसके कोई भी सॉल्यूशन नहीं फाइंड आउट होंगे. ग्राफ, इट्स ग्राफ विल बी पैरेलल लाइंस. सिंपल लॉजिक है कि जहाँ पर दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट होती है वहाँ सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं. इसका ग्राफ आपको ऐसा मिलेगा. ठीक है. एंड दिस विल बी इनकंसिस्टेंस. जिसके सॉल्यूशन मिलते हैं वो कंसिस्टेंस और जिसके सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलते हैं वो इनकंसिस्टेंस. ओके. So rest of all the formulas and conditions we'll discuss in next lecture. Copy this condition. So let us end this lecture. Bye. Have a safe and nice day.